morning we've got a fun one. I hope you can hear me. This is a 1970 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ40. Like a lot of these, it was sold new in Colombia, South America. This is a Fivres, I'm probably pronouncing that wrong, fiberglass hardtop, also a Colombian company. That would have been dealer installed. It loves railroad tracks. And this car, being 1970, it spent the first 46 or 47 years of its life in Colombia. The previous owner imported this car from Colombia and has owned it ever since. He put a bunch of miles on it. 25,000 miles or something like that. The odometer is showing 12,546 kilometers. I'm sure that's going around, so you're looking at 112,000 kilometers, what is that, 70,000 miles, something like that? In his ownership, I mean, lots of money was spent on it. The original F-Series engine was rebuilt. Let this guy go around. At 3.9. The car got a new clutch. New Ironman suspension all around. It's a slight lift. You got 5 new tires, the BFG all-terrains. Retrofitted some modern LED headlights to it. Retrofitted air conditioning to it. So it's really indicative of how much he used this vehicle. As a result of all of that, it drives really well for one of these. I mean, the gearbox feels great, the steering feels great, brakes feel good. Let's see if he wants me to go around him. He might. Fully mechanically sorted out. And as far as the appearance goes, well, the pictures tell the story. If you want a rough and ready looking Land Cruiser, look no further. If you want a really nice one, then you'll be thinking about doing a body restoration. It is just rough around the edges. It has passed a Pennsylvania safety inspection. It is structurally sound. The chassis looks pretty good. It's just the body is a little flaky. As a result of that, I think it's a pretty good deal. Because the mechanical restoration costs more than the current asking price. I think that's the choke light. I don't know why it doesn't go out. It chokes all the way in. It's just a quirk. I haven't done any serious mudding with it or anything like that, but I have tested the 4-wheel drive and the low range, which we'll demonstrate now. So just neutral. There's 4-wheel drive. Over to there. We should have low range. There you go. These are so much fun. kind of car that makes me wish I could afford a farm. So there you have it. A bit scruffy, but fantastic mechanical condition.